Hello students, good morning everyone. Standard 3rd, subject Marigold. Workbook. Unit 7. In our last video we have discussed this poem in textbook. Now today we will start our work in Marigold workbook. So now here first Unit 7, Puppy and I. Here are some questions given. We will try to give their answers. Okay. So let's see. Answer the questions. First one. Who is I in the poem? Who is I in the poem? So answer is I in the poem is a little boy. I in the poem is a little boy. Second one. Where was the man going? In this poem, where was the man going? Yes, the man was going down to the village to get some bread. The man was going down to the village to get some bread. Then third one, where was the horse going? Yes, so answer is the horse was going to get some hay. Fourth one, why didn't the child go with the horse? So answer is the child did not go with the horse because the horse busy with work. The horse was busy with work. Fifth one, where was the puppy going? So answer is the puppy was going up in the hills to roll and play. The puppy was going up in the hills to roll and play. Last one. Why did the child go with the puppy? Why did the child go with the puppy? So answer is the child went with the puppy because the puppy was going up the hills to roll and play. Because the puppy was going up to the hills to roll and play. That is why he went with puppy. Okay. Now, let's see second question. Write the correct option A, B, C or D in the box. Here some question given. Each question has 4 options. We have to find correct one option and we have to write correct answer in this box. Okay. So let's see. First one is the man was going to dash. The man was going to dash. Where was the man was going? Option given. Have fun, get some hay, get some bread, get some water. Yes, C. Get some bread. The man was going to get some bread. So here C. Second one. The horse was going to dash. The horse was going to dash. Get some hay, get some bread, roll and play, get some water. Which is the correct answer? Yes, the horse was going to get some hay. So here, letter A. Then third one, the puppy was going dash. The puppy was going dash. Options are to the river, to the village, to his house, up in the hills. Yes, up in the hills. The puppy was going up in the hills. So here D. Then fourth one, the puppy was going to dash. The puppy was going to dash. Options are jump and hop, get some bread, roll and play, get some hay. Which is the correct answer? Yes, the puppy was going to roll and play. So here option C. Then fifth one, the child went with the dash. The child went with the dash. Options are man, puppy, horse, poet. Yes, the child went with the puppy. Here letter B. Next one is which word in the poem rhymes with walking. Which word in the poem rhymes with walking? Options are went, village, talking, hay. Yes, answer is talking. So here letter C. Okay, now next one is which word in the poem rhymes with said? Options are talking, hay, walking, bread. So which is the correct answer? Yes, bread. So here letter D. Then eighth one, which word in the poem rhymes with I? Which word in the poem rhymes with I? So here options are by, main, said, no. So which is the correct answer? Yes, A, by. I, by. Here A. Then ninth one, which word in the poem rhymes with today? Options are I, bread, talking, hay. Yes, here hay. So we write here letter D in this box. 10th one, which word in the poem rhymes with play? I, day, walking, bread. Which is the correct answer? Yes, play. Play, day. Here B in this box. Okay, understand? Okay, now next activity is write two rhyming words. Here some words given that we have to write their rhyming word. Okay, so I have written here hill. So kill and peel. Hill, kill, peel. Hay, ray, day. Hay, ray, day. Get, bet, mate. Get, bet, mate. Going, owing, rowing. Going, owing, rowing. Hair, rare, dare. Hair, rare, dare. Here you can write your own rhyming words also. Okay. Now fourth question is write about 5 sentences on my pet. Here some space given that you have to write about your pet. Okay, so I have written here my pet dog's name is Tommy. Tommy is my best friend because dogs are the best friends of men. Tommy is naughty but good. It loves to eat chocolate and biscuits. I enjoy a lot playing with Tommy. Again, my pet dog's name is Tommy. Tommy is my best friend because dogs are the best friends of men. Tommy is naughty but good. It loves to eat chocolate and biscuits. I enjoy a lot playing with Tommy. And here you can write about your pet. Okay. Now question number 5. Read the lines and fill in the blanks. Here some lines given, and on next page there are some blanks given that we have to fill all these blanks with help of these lines. Okay. So let's see. Mary had a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It went with her to school one day. That was against the rule. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. Again, one more time. Mary had a little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It went with her to school one day. That was against the rule. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. Okay, let's see blanks. Okay, first one. Mary had a little dash. Options are puppy or lamb. Yes, Mary had a lamb. So here we write L-A-M-B. Second one, the lamb's fleece was white as snow or milk. Yes, like snow. So here S-N-O-W. Then the lamb went everywhere with days. The lamb went everywhere with days. Mira or Mary? Who had a little lamb? Yes, Mary. So here M-A-R-Y. Then fourth one, the lamb went to days one day. Where it went? School or market? Yes, school. So S-C-H-O-O-L, school. The lamb went to school one day. Then fifth one, the lamb made the children dance, run and dance, laugh and play. Yes, laugh and play. The lamb made the children laugh and play. Question number 6. Name the animals in the box given. Write D for domestic animals and W for wild animals. Here, as you can see, some pictures given with blanks and a box. So here you have to name that animals, and here we have to write D or W. D for domestic animals. If it is a wild animal, so here we will use W. Okay. So let's see. First is lion. So let's find out lion. Where is lion? Yes, here it is. Lion. So here we write lion. And now here in this box we have to write W or D. So now lion is wild animal. So here we write W. Okay. Now let's see next one. Horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. So where is horse? Yes, here it is. So here we will write H-O-R-S-E, horse, and it is domestic animal. Then next one is elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. So where is elephant? Yes, here it is. So here we write E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant, and it is wild animal. Then monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. So where is monkey? Yes, here it is. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey, and it is wild animal. Then next one is sheep. Where is sheep? Yes, here it is. Sheep, and it is domestic animal. Then next one is bear. So where it is? Here it is, and it is wild animal. Then next one is goat. Here it is, G-O-A-T, goat, and it is domestic animal. Next is camel. C-A-M-E-L, camel, camel. And here it is camel. It is domestic animal. Then deer. So here it is. Here we write D-E-E-R, and it is wild animal. So here we use W. Now next one is buffalo. Here it is buffalo, B-U-F-F-A-L-O, buffalo, and it is domestic animal. Then next is cow. So here it is C-O-W, cow, and it is domestic animal. Then next is donkey. So let's find out donkey. Here it is D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey, and it is domestic animal. Then next is rabbit. Here it is rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit, and it is domestic animal. Then next is tiger. So here T-I-G-E-R, tiger, and it is wild animal. And last one is wolf, W-O-L-F, and it is wild animal. Okay. Now let's see next activity. Question number 7. Fill in the blanks with the sounds of animals. Here animals name given. We have to fill all these blanks with the sounds of animals. And here upper side in this box sounds given. So let's read first of all. Howls, brays, bleats, mews, neighs, grunts, growls, moos, chatters, trumpets, roars, and barks. So let's see here. Animal name given: a donkey, a bear, a cat, a monkey, a horse, a lion, a goat, a wolf, an elephant, a camel, a cow, a dog. So here we have to write their sounds. Okay. So first of all, a donkey, it's brays, B-R-A-Y-S. Bear, it's growls, G-R-O-W-L-S, growls. Then cat, a cat mews. A monkey chatters. A horse neighs, a horse neighs. A lion roars. A goat bleats. A wolf howls. An elephant trumpets. A camel grunts. A cow moos, and a dog barks. Again, a donkey, it's brays. A bear growls. A cat mews. A monkey chatters. A horse neighs. A lion roars. A goat bleats, and a wolf howls. An elephant trumpets. A camel grunts. A cow moos, and last one is a dog barks. Okay. Now our today's work and all these works you have to complete it in your Marigold workbook. Okay. Now we have completed our unit 7 here. Okay. Thank you.